Hey everyone, it's Twyla, and I went shopping on Target.com and saw that they had all these beauty boxes from December and January and February. There were 5 of them, so I ordered all of them, and so we're going to open them up today. So I have 1 for December, 2 for January, 2 for February, and so this is the December one. They come wrapped in their plastic one. I think normally, like I used to go online and get these, and now I think they've got a couple each month that you can select from. So this was the December one. I think they probably had a couple in December. This is Sleigh all day, like a sleigh, like so. This is the December one, and the $3 coupon expired already. But they usually have a $3 off your purchase of skincare, cosmetics, or hair care. And they actually have what it is, and there's tips or how to use it. So here how it comes. I really do think that these compare with the $10 beauty boxes. I will say that most of the time you get in here, toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, skincare, moisturizer, lip balm, that kind of thing. But what we have is a sample of the Palmer's, let me put it right there over my face, 2-step hair mask. It says it's a coconut oil hair mask that locks in moisture for long-lasting results. Dry, damaged, or color treated hair. It says restores shine, and this seals the cuticle. So there's a hint on here that says evenly distribute the deep conditioning mask through the strands. Apply the protective glaze on top and then let sit for 15 minutes before thoroughly rinsing. So you can do it, put one on and then the other one on top of that. Alrighty. Then we have got, how many are in here? Just one little Biore nose strip right there. So we have a Lumene Nordic-C Glow Reveal Moisturizer. Good lad that it's sealed. I like these for travel. I travel a lot for work, so I like to have these little travel size to go with me. It says it's a blend of C-bond technology that works like a magnet to safely lift dirt and oil from your most clogged pores so skin looks refreshed and feels purified. But it says it's a moisturizer, and then it says it safely lifts dirt and oil from your clogged pores. Okay. Then the next 2 things in here are Renpure Biotin and Collagen, Thicken and Strengthen Shampoo and Conditioner. These are 3.4 ounces, perfect travel size. That 0.4 ounce, everything has to be under 3 ounces, 3 ounces or under to take it. The 0.4 might get you. But look how they taped them shut so that they didn't leak. I really like that. Thank you, Target. Then you have a Good Chemistry Magnolia and Violet perfume. Romantic and captivating. Magnolia and Violet. Little perfume sample. Oh, that smells very, very nice. I like that. Very light and bright. And then the last thing in here is a Mixed Chicks Coil, Kink, and Curl Styling Cream. Conditions, retains moisture, promotes growth, and adds definition for wash and go finger styling, 2-strand twists, coils, and spirals. So it's a styling cream with argan oil. So that is a pretty good box for $7. Now, mind you, I had a $5 off coupon, and I also had some Red Circle money left on there. So $5, I think, of that. So all of these were $7. There's 5 of them. I think I got them for $25 and some change with tax and everything. That's a really good box. So I'll put that over to the side. So now let's get into January. I think there's a couple for January. This one is out with the old, in with the new. Ditch the old school resolutions like losing the last 10 pounds. Instead, make 2020 the year you elevate your beauty game. So in here we have got another shampoo and conditioner. See what I say? So I'm going to pull those off the top. There's everything in there. We've got hair food. You know, the best dry shampoo that I tried was Hair Food's Invisible Dry Shampoo. I can't find that anywhere anymore. It was in like a black and green bottle. Can't find that stuff. It was great. I got it in one of these Target boxes. Hair Food chocolate. Chocolate would be good, but this is coconut milk and chai spice nourishing shampoo and nourishing conditioner, sulfate-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. These are 3 ounces, so these are perfect size. Why this one's taped and this one isn't, I don't know. So we've got some little samples in here. What is this? Bella, relieving watermelon peel-off mask and an avocado clay mask, cooling clay mask. So this is a little sample of a watermelon peel-off mask and an avocado cooling mask. That's nice for your face. Then we also have a sample of Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges. It's perfect hold and exotic shine and non-flaking. Boy, I could use that right now, couldn't I? I should do that. And that's quite a bit. That's quite a bit in there. The next one is a very itty bitty tiny itsy witsy teeny weeny little baby. Booster Serum number 7 Firming Booster Serum. Very teeny tiny sample of that. Then we've got, apparently there's a $3 coupon inside, but we've got Olay Regenerist Whip Active Moisturizer and Olay Regenerist Night Moisturizer Retinol 24. So we got a day cream and a night cream. And oh, I don't know what's up with that. But I do like the oil of Olay. And this is the same thing. Light as air finish, it says. And it is a 0.18 ounce sample. And then the last thing in here is Crest 3D White Radiant Mint. And I do like the Crest 3D White toothpaste. So that was January's in with the old and out with the new. And then we have, I'm gonna guess this is probably January as well. This one's heavy. It's in a bigger box. Aren't their boxes pretty? I mean, this had a beautiful, this is a beautiful blue box. Mint with the winter. I think these are very pretty boxes. I think this might be January's. And it says, clean up your beauty routine. Yeah, this is January's as well. From ingredient-conscious formulas to recyclable packaging, there's no better time than now to give your beauty routine a clean start. There's always a $3 off coupon in these boxes. Here is the other January box. The let's film that. So we've got Palmer's. Oh man, when I was in school, this was the bomb. When I was in high school, this was it. This was the stuff. Palmer's coconut oil body lotion. Yeah, this was it, man. If you didn't smell like coconut, then you weren't using Palmer's or you weren't using Hawaiian Tropic. Because back in the day, we didn't put sunscreen on. We put sun oil on that smelled like coconut. Tahitian Manoi oil in here. Organic coconut oil and Tahitian Manoi oil. Yep, good stuff. Okay, and then we have a couple of things in here from Lumene again. I'm saying Lumene. Is it Lumene? So we have a Lumene, I don't know. Nordic-C Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. This is a cleansing balm that has the Arctic Cloudberry Seed Oil, a radiant enhancing Nordic-C complex. It says it does have vitamin C, instantly energizes and smooth skin. Nice that a cleansing balm comes in a tube. I like that. And they also give you a little Arctic Berry Oil Cocktail. Vitamin C, A, B3, B5, and E. Contains Arctic Cloudberry, Nordic Cranberry, and Lingonberry seed oils. Then we have a native deodorant in charcoal. Perfect. It's 0.35 ounces. Great for travel. We have a Burt's Bees, Zen Peppermint Fluoride-Free toothpaste. And there's a coupon on the back to save $1 off of the full size. Love, what is this? Oh, save now. Love, Home, and Planet. Save $2 now. What is this? Oh, it's laundry detergent. So this is laundry detergent, lavender, and argan oil. And there's a coupon here for $2 off. And they did tape it shut again. Plant-based cleansers. Plant-based cleansers that is so smart it detects the type of stain it encounters to cleanse effectively yet gently. Nice. We have a Uni shower sheet, large body wipe that's deodorizing sheet. We have a Myers Clean Day little sample of aloe vera hand soap. And then 2 little cotton rounds, Target brand, Up and Up brand. So that's quite a bit of, I mean, I know there are single uses on some of these things like this and this and this and the shower sheet, but bringing back the Palmer's, man. All right, that's quite, I'm excited to use this little cleansing balm. Lots of good stuff in there. Now let's get into the February boxes. There are 2. This one has lips all over it, which makes me think that it's a box full of lip stuff. So we'll get into this one. So that's a pretty box. This says self-love. No S-O. Significant other. No problem. February may be the month of romance, but you don't need a boo thing to feel that love. Instead, indulge yourself with these hand-picked products that'll give you the dose of TLC you deserve. Aww. Self-love. Yes. There's tons of things in here for taking care of yourself. Okay. So this is K-Bella Professional Radiance Boost Shimmering Cream Mask. So it is this a hair mask? It's a face mask. It says avoid your hair and eyes and eyebrows. So there's a shimmering mask. Then we have the Pacifica Perfumed Hair and Body Mist in Island Vanilla. It's taped, which is awesome. I love that they do that. Let's smell this. You know, it actually smells like the vanilla that I use in my kitchen. Island Vanilla. It doesn't smell like tropical-y vanilla. It just smells like the vanilla extract that I use in my kitchen. What do we have next? Here we have Aveeno Cracked Skin Relief. Helps relieve, like for your heels, this would be perfect. This is sealed, so I'm not going to open this up, but this is the Aveeno. Oh, here was the Pacifica Island Vanilla. And you know what? Let's put some of that on my hair. Okay, the next thing in here is from Uni. It is a calming aromatherapy mist. Soothes and refreshes body and mind. Oh, it is. It has a tiny bit of lavender. It has neroli, geranium, and sage. None of that. No lavender, no lemon. Boy. We have a Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Muscle Relief Concentrated Mineral Bath Soak. Always love a nice soak in the bathtub. And I'm really happy to have these because I just got back from a business trip and I always put my iPads they're like these. These are cooling gel iPads from, oh, look on the back. It says Target Beauty. Isn't that cool? So you just put them in the refrigerator. I leave them in the refrigerator while I'm traveling in my room, and then in the mornings when I got back, because when I travel, my face puffs up, especially my eyes, especially right here, these right here. So I always take these out and put them on my eyes for a few minutes before I get up and get out of bed. And I left them, they were panda eyes is what they were, and I left them in the refrigerator at the last place I went. Unmask Beauty Mask from the Mask Bar. Silver foil peel-off mask. Says it's enriched with natural ingredients. So that's quite a nice little, this is good stuff. So that was the February box. I'll link everything down below in case you're curious. This is the lip one, the February one, which is very cute. Very, very cute. It says pucker up. The secret to keeping your lips looking plump and luscious, treating them with some tender love and care and the right products. Of course, from a cooling gel mask to a vibrant matte lipstick, we've rounded up our fave finds that'll keep you your palette perfectly kissable. And here is what's inside. Again, it is all lips. So here is a cute cooling gel mask. That is cute. Leave it in the refrigerator for an hour or the freezer for 30 minutes. Place it on your lips for 10 to 15 minutes. That is really cute. We have a Dr. Bronner lip balm, and I didn't know Dr. Bronner's had lip balm, although it's peppermint. And I watched Jen Love's reviews, and she said peppermint is not a good ingredient to have in your lip balms. So I find that interesting that everybody puts mint and peppermint in the lip balms. Organic. Ooh, we have a Burt's Bees lip shimmer, and this is in the color Peony. That's nice. We have a St. Ives lip scrub. Now, I knew St. Ives had their like apricot scrub for the face, but I didn't know that they had a lip scrub, Sweet Passion Fruit. Oh, that smells nice. There's the lip scrub. And this is probably like a full size, I'm going to guess, from the store. And so is this. Oh, and then another one. We have a Milani full size. This is the Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick. I Am Confident. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. I actually have I Am Fabulous. And here's I Am Confident. This is the one that was in the... Nice. And we have a Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Mask. It says it has almond oils, Meadowfoam seed oil. Instantly hydrates and defines lips. So that's nice. Nice little... Put that on. Put this on. And we have a Sexy Mother Pucker Soap and Glory Lip Plump Lip Gloss. And this is in the color Plums Up. And that's a beautiful color right up my alley. Look at the glitter sparkles in there. Spackles. We're not spackling, we're sparkling. Do you see the glitter sparkles in there? That'll be a beautiful lip gloss. For $7, man, this was a really great deal, and I'm really happy to have it. Okay, so great deal. I'll put the links down below, all the information down below. Thanks for hanging out with me while I check into some fun boxes. I used to get these all the time, and then I was like, man, you know, it's just the same thing all the time, but it's kind of fun opening up all of them all at once. Okay, have a great day. Focus on the good and the happy in your lives. And come back and see me again. Mwah!